Hello guys, welcome to TJ Tube. In this video we will check our system is TPM supported or not for Windows 11. First of all, we have to go to run menu by pressing Windows+R, and here we will type tpm.msc and press enter. Here you can see this trusted platform module. TPM 2.0 is required to run Windows 11 as an important building block for security related features. TPM 2.0 is used in Windows 11 for a number of features including Windows Hello for identity protection and BitLocker for data protection. In some cases, PCs that are capable of running TPM 2.0 are not set up to do so. Here you can see my system has a 2.0 version of TPM module. That's why my PC is running Windows 11. You can also check your PC, older PC, that your PC will work on TPM 2.0 module or not. If your PC is working on TPM 2.0 module, then you can easily install Windows 11 in your PC. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.